Old wife. We don't have any rights to any of the music in the background, so in case any of you are thinking about anything, it's just background music. We have no rights to it, okay? None of the videos on this channel, we have the rights to the music. That's why I like to play local music. Let me state again, we have no rights. It's the music on this channel. This is Old Wife. And this is how we clean Old Wife. A real Nivision experience. We at Jaconi's bar. Jaconi. Come for lunch tomorrow. Get some shellfish, Old Wife, cold beers. Ask for it, you'll get it. Put them there with them until I come back. I'm going to eat them when I come back with my sharp.
So you're going to put up the sharp on the,
yeah,
on the thing too?
Yeah.